Hey there, innovators and future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to GEM, where we transform complex business concepts into golden nuggets of wisdom. Today, we're diving into a game-changing book that has revolutionized how we think about startups, The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. Imagine this. You're sitting in your garage, fueled by countless cups of coffee, working tirelessly on your dream product. For months, you've sacrificed everything: your savings, your social life, even those precious hours of sleep. Your friends think you're crazy, but you can see it so clearly. This product will change the world. Finally, after endless coding sessions and refinements, you launch, and then silence. No customers, no excitement, no sales, just the deafening sound of market indifference. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. This is the gut-wrenching reality that countless entrepreneurs, including Eric Ries himself, have faced. In his early ventures, Ries experienced this painful lesson firsthand. He watched his carefully crafted products fall flat, not because they weren't well built, but because they solved problems nobody really had. This frustrating experience became the catalyst for something revolutionary: the Lean Startup methodology. At its core, the Lean Startup is about working smarter, not harder. Think of it as a scientific approach to creating and managing successful startups. But what makes it so special? First up, the build, measure, learn loop. Picture a hamster wheel, but instead of running nowhere, you're constantly evolving. You start with a basic version of your product, what we call a minimum viable product or MVP. Then you measure how customers react to it, learn from their feedback, and build something better. Rinse and repeat. Here's where it gets interesting. Ries introduces the concept of validated learning. It's not about sitting in a room brainstorming what might work. It's about getting out there and testing your assumptions. Every feature, every decision should be treated as an experiment. Your hypothesis? Customers will love this. Your test? Put it in front of real users. But here's the plot twist, and this is where most entrepreneurs stumble. You need to be ready to pivot. A pivot isn't a failure. It's a strategic course correction based on what you've learned. Think of Netflix. They started by mailing DVDs, but pivoted to streaming when technology evolved. That's the Lean Startup in action. The methodology introduces two critical questions every startup should ask. Should we build this product? Can we build a sustainable business around this product? If you can't answer these questions with data-backed confidence, it's time to go back to the drawing board. Remember, innovation accounting is your friend. It's not just about traditional metrics like revenue and profit. Track meaningful progress indicators, customer engagement, retention rates, and referral rates. These tell you if you're building something people actually want. The beauty of the Lean Startup method is its universality. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur working from your garage or part of a large corporation's innovation team, these principles can guide you towards success while minimizing waste and maximizing learning. Think of the Lean Startup as your entrepreneurial GPS. It won't guarantee you'll reach your destination, but it will help you navigate the uncertain waters of innovation with more confidence and less waste. If you found this golden nugget of knowledge valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to GEM for more business wisdom. Share this video with an aspiring entrepreneur who needs to hear this. Remember, in the world of startups, the fastest learner often wins the race. Until next time, keep innovating and stay lean.